So just while my initials are drying off, I'll come over here and get a low heat on the saucepan with some chocolate chips in there. See already they're starting to melt. Doesn't take them long in a saucepan. There we are, we're nearly all melted. Just give it a little bit longer. Now, interestingly enough, if you keep the heat too long, you'll probably start to smell a burning chocolate smell. And the burning chocolate smell is something you probably want to avoid. Now, this is probably something you want to avoid in the saucepan. I think I've just melted that just a little bit beyond what I should do, and it is no longer really a runny liquid. It's a little bit more of a mushy substance, so I'm going to give it another go. So this is my second attempt here. I'm going to put the stove on very low heat this time, as low as it will go, and make sure I keep stirring. I don't want that chocolate to thicken beyond its melting point. I want it to go slowly. I've also read up if I want very runny melted chocolate, to add a bit of butter or oil is what's suggested. I've tried butter here with this one. Oh, they're going already, so I've got to make sure I keep them stirring. I might even lift it off. But it looks like the same problem has occurred with this as with the other one. It's gone too solid for me to run with. I'm after a drizzle of chocolate. So this time I'm going to use some chocolate melts, because I am aware that chocolate is an arrangement of fats and sugars. The amount of each one you have will depend on how good it is as a melting chocolate. So I'm just going to use these melts this time. Again, I'll lift it up to make sure we don't overdo it. Still gets a bit of heat on the bottom. Last time I added a little bit of butter. This time I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. Let's see if we can make it a smoother, runnier chocolate. Oh, that's looking good. That's lovely, because I'm really after a drizzle of chocolate. I love that word, drizzle. It sounds like a rainy day, a drizzle of chocolate. Still a few little lumps in there. Oh no, maybe they're just bubbles. Okay, off we go for a drizzle. So I've got another bit of baking paper ready, and I'm just going to try and drizzle it into a bit of a pattern.
And then go up and down this way as well. You can see how chefs could have good fun with drizzly chocolate.
So how runny a substance is called its viscosity. A high viscosity means it doesn't run very fast. And we'll let that cool and see if we can almost pick it up as one piece. Now, if you're anything like me and you want to hurry up that setting process, the process of the chocolate going from a liquid to a solid, you can get a tray and slide it onto the tray, spread out a bit, but oh well. I'm going to put that into the fridge for a little while, see if we can get it to go solid a little bit quicker.